With 3 days up our sleeve, we decided to tackle the next section of the Mawson Trail. We were in for 3 days of great riding, with outback vibes, beautiful farmland, and some scenic forest sections. Stretching all the way from Adelaide to the Flinders Ranges, our next section of the Mawson Trail was Burra to Laura. It turned out to be a real tough day, with some real lows and incredible highs. The next section of our 3-day ride was Hallet to Curnows Hut in Bundaleer Forest.
Good morning. Serving some of my wife's beautiful banana bread.
We woke up feeling like we did 85 kilometers of outback cycling the day before, but it felt good leaving Hallet behind for another day on the trail. Slowly, our bodies fell back into the cycling rhythm, and we had a glorious morning session. Soon enough, it was time to take off some layers before we headed into the hills.
Oh,
That's
Give in.
2K so far.
2 kilometers.
We've gone 2Ks.
Wow. Yeah, it's a massive hill climb. Nice one, Mike.
One of the things I love most about bikepacking is the sights and sounds you experience along the way. And around the next corner, the local sheepdogs showed off their skills. Just before Spalding, we turned onto the Bundaleer Channel. This channel was used to feed water from the Broughton River into the Bundaleer Reservoir. The Bundaleer Reservoir, built from 1898 to 1903, near Spalding, was rated among Australia's top engineering feats for its exceptional construction aspects. The reservoir provided water for the many mid-north towns and was an important source of water in the region for local towns and agriculture until the Morgan-Whyalla pipeline was completed in 1944. The channel led us to this beautiful halfway oasis, where the amazing staff cooked us some fresh bacon and egg rolls, the best I've ever tasted. We were both pretty tired at this point, but I hit the wall pretty hard. But a short power nap in the park and some encouragement from Mike got me back on the bike. We followed the Bundaleer Channel section for a good while. Notorious for its punctures and gates, we were able to avoid the punctures, but not the gates.
Right.
This is
Gate number 50.
Some stunning landscape scenes kept us stoked and the energy flowing for the last big challenge of the day.
Oh, what a beautiful downhill. More of this, please. Last serious climb to the hut. Whew. Knackered. We just climbed all the way out of the valley floor and probably like a kilometer and a half. Nice, Mike.
Arriving at the hut felt like crossing the finish line in a big race. Absolutely amazing. And we decided to celebrate our achievement by taking another nap. We ended the day by eating our dinner, salami, cheese and crackers, before signing the visitor's book. Lying in our beds, we watched the sun go down, feeling super thankful that we pushed through the tough bits during the day. With some food in our bellies and a warm sleeping bag, life was pretty good.